I'm Anita from Global Baby. I'm at home today, starting to get that like nesting urge. 37 plus 1 now, so yeah, might not be long, but I kind of have a feeling, well, both my girls were born after their due date, so I don't think that this one's going to be early, but anyway, doesn't hurt to be prepared, right? So I just got this one delivered yesterday from Global Baby, of course. It's the Babyhood Co-Sleep Cradle, and I'm just going to assemble it now, and then this is Remy's room, but I will put the baby in our room with us. And I think this cradle's quite big, so you can keep the baby in there until they get to a stage where they can pull themselves up, which is probably around 6 months old. And then by then we'll hopefully be in a new house and baby can go in their own room. Although, yeah, I really like having baby close to me. Anyway, so let's do this now. Okay, so here it is. Even though I called in the reinforcements for assembly, it wasn't that hard. It's just 10 screws, so not too bad at all. It comes with the really nice mobile, which you can remove as well, and it's got the zips on the side, so you can either have it zipped up like this, which is probably what I'll do, or you can put it into co-sleep mode when it's next to your bed, and that's quite easy. Some buttons here, roll it down, and then there's some domes to hold it into place. Textiles inside are really nice. I'll give you a close-up of those soon. The size is huge, so you should easily fit until they get to that pulling up stage, because it is 89 centimeters, 87 or so, by 49. It's massive. Yeah, it's really lovely. Looking forward to using this one. Here it is up close. So nice, right? Love it. Get rid of my tape measure from there. So it's got the nice mattress, which is quite firm, which is what's recommended for babies. The drop side, like I said, so you can have that up or down. The lovely mobile. Yeah, beautiful. It also comes with these straps, so you can attach it to your bed if you're going to use it in the co-sleep mode, but those straps will only fit if you've got a bed with a slat base, not like a big base like a lot of us.
I'm the mum and she's the baby.
Oh, you and your brother's cot.